More than I'd like to admit, my back has been against the wall a few times in business. So in this video, I'm speaking from experience. Experience from the times where I needed to make income happen fast. And every single time, I found a way. My first 100K generated in a matter of months. My next 100K, same thing. I have experience with this while traveling the world as a digital nomad in Southeast Asia and South America. I've done it while transitioning to motherhood and taking a 90-day maternity leave. And the strategy I've used is the same timeless strategy that I'm going to share with you today. Now, good news. Things can happen way faster today with the help of AI. So if you're sitting there right now needing to generate your next 100K in your business within the next 6 months, let's get to it. And by the way, if you want me to send you the breakdown of this video, the systems, AI, and the funnels of everything I'm talking about today, comment funnels and I will send you the link. All right, I invite you to start taking notes, but here is what your 6-month snapshot looks like. Month 1, you're gonna get clarity and foundation. Clarity on your offer, your audience, and your content strategy. Month 2, you're going to build and launch. Build a small offer with big intention, with profitability in mind. This is to get your first 3 sales and validate. Month 3, optimize and scale. We're gonna add order bumps, upsells, and downsells to that front end low ticket offer. Month 4, AI and systemize. We're gonna plug in AI into everything you do. Month 5, ascend and monetize even bigger. We're gonna plug a higher ticket offer into your entire ecosystem. Month 6, your organic content is compounding and you're going to watch the 100K come together. Now in that month 1, what I want you to focus on, and hear me out, I understand you are busy. I'm a mom, I have 2 kids, I have a business, I have a husband, I have a busy life, and I'm assuming you do too. Here's what you're gonna focus on in month 1 is getting that content engine started. Or if you're already posting content, tripling down on what you are posting. Especially with YouTube, you wanna focus on posting 8 videos per month to a targeted audience. Make sure that the purpose and the 3 content pillars of your channel are well defined, that you are offering a presentation in every single video that you are doing, making sure that the transformation you can take your clients from beginning A to point, Z, I don't know, C at the end of the alphabet, is very, very clear, that your content is widening the gap for your potential clients and the leads that you are generating. This is going to have them craving what it is you're offering and wanting to engage and either download your lead magnet or take the first step and purchase a low ticket offer with you. Now, this leads me into month 2, where you're going to craft that low ticket front end offer. I'm talking about a profitable offer between the $27 and $97 range. This is what's going to turn those people that are just freebie lead magnet seekers into paid customers. So you are officially going to have a paid customer. Now, wait a minute. You're probably saying, Marissa, I have a small audience or a small YouTube channel or whatever. How can I possibly make 100K in 6 months with a $47 offer? Let me explain. Let me dive into my case study. I did just over a year ago. I started a YouTube channel from scratch. I didn't leverage my existing audience to push traffic, okay? And let me tell you something. Within the first 38 days of that channel, that little tiny channel generated 17 grand in gross revenue from just 200 something subscribers. It was like, I don't even think it reached 200 subscribers yet. Now, going 90 days into that new YouTube channel, that revenue multiplied to over 40 grand in sales, all because of a front end offer I had. My channel obviously did not have millions of views. It barely had any traffic. We're talking less than 5,000 views a month. But let me show you what that channel did do. It pushed over 750 visitors, aka clicks, to the sales page of my front end $47 offer. From there, 53 people bought the offer. Several people bought a couple of upsells. I had 2 upsells and downsells. So doing the math with all the upsells and the front end $47 buyers, that was 4 grand in the digital product sales. Now, 3 people out of those 53 upgraded into my high ticket offer. Okay, so that means they bought the 47, they bought the 197 and the 97, my upsells, and became a high ticket client, either enrolling in my 10K offer or my 20K offer within the next day. So I'm telling you, one of the strongest levers. I got some muscle right there. I'm working out. I lost 1.8% body fat. Okay, back to the video. One of the strongest revenue levers you can pull right now in your business is to add a low ticket front end offer. This alone can generate 4 to 5 figures for your business every single month. By the way, if you're excited about this concept, I created something for you called the AI Product to Profit Builder. It's a fast, hands-on training that helps you take what you already know, turn it into a ready to profit $27 to $97 digital product 95% done by AI. I've been working on this for over 8 months, and honestly, it's the most compressed version of everything I've learned over the past 7 years of selling digital products. Inside, I walk you through how to use AI to pull the right product idea out of your expertise, structure it into a simple paid offer, write the sales page, and get it ready to sell without spending months wasting time doing it by hand and building some giant thing from scratch. My goal for you is simple: to help you create a low-ticket digital product that could become your next 4 to 5 figure per month revenue arm in your business. So if you're watching this on desktop, go ahead and scan this QR code. Or if you're watching it on mobile, click the first link in the description and grab the AI Product to Profit Builder today. I cannot wait for you to get your hands on the resources inside of this training. Now, as we move along to months 3 and 4, we want to leverage AI for everything. Now I'm talking if you want to add upsells, downsells, or an order bump to that front end offer that you have, AI can literally create the sales copy now. It can create the checkout pages. It can create all the sales assets you need. So that is no longer a bottleneck for your business. Now this really, I just less than 2 years, no, even like a year and a half ago, I was sitting there in WordPress hand designing these things, and it took months. It was excruciatingly painful. I'm like, okay, I feel like I'm pretty good at tech, but this took me months to do. Okay, but now, like with AI Funnel Builder, with AI Website Builder, and all these tools within the CRM that I use, Go High Level, this can like catapult your productivity like crazy, because AI literally like creates the websites within seconds, creates the funnels within seconds. It has a workflow AI that can create the automation that delivers emails, that delivers SMS text messages to your customers and leads. It delivers the courses, it hosts the memberships if you want to have a group or a community. Like that is how you're leveraging AI in 2026, and it is absolutely insane right now. And that is how you're supposed to be leveraging AI right now this year, and with all of your business toolkit that you are using. So think of you having a 2-layer sales team, because you have your YouTube content selling for you, okay? Because this content is nurturing your audience like crazy, okay? So you have that first layer of sales team. Then you have the second layer of sales, where when people go through and buy your low ticket offer, that's also like a sales call. Because if they're going through your offer and they're like, oh my God, I purchased this offer, $47 from Marissa, and I'm getting this much value, like, holy crap, like, what is the next offer? Like, I know that I'm going to be given 10x this value if I purchase whatever her higher ticket price point service or offer is. Okay, so this works whether you're having an agency, coach, consultant, whatever business model, even software. Okay, so whatever business model, this front end low ticket client acquisition works. But back to where we're at now, like months 4 and 5. 4, I mentioned you're layering in the AI to everything. Month 5, what you're doing is you're putting in your high ticket offer, if not sooner, into the mix. Because if you already have a higher ticket offer, meaning you sell something for $2,500 or above, then you already like could be monetizing way more within months 2 and 3. But if you don't, month 5 is a great time to add in your higher ticket offer to your ecosystem. So what this means is, for example, people buy your product, and on the thank you page of when they purchase your product, you offer a book a call. Okay, so that they can book a call with you. Now that you have buyers in your email list, you can market them what else it is you have. You can sell to them again. Because when you have a list of buyers, somebody that's already bought from you are 60 to 70% more likely to buy from you again, because they love you. Okay, I'm just gonna say it. They love you. They trust you. Okay, I know that my buyers love me. I know that because I go hard in the value that I give to them. So the last point, I'm talking about month 6. Month 6 is where honestly you're seeing compound growth from YouTube. I mean, as you know, YouTube is evergreen content. So videos that you make right now, okay, this year are going to continue generating you leads, making you money, and just heightening and giving you such brand authority within the next 6 months. 3 years, 4 years from now, okay, I'm still making money from videos that I posted in 2019. That's where you realistically can make 100K in 6 months, all right? And so going back to the model, like let's say you make $1,000 a month, okay, from selling from the front end offer. If just like 10 of those people ascend into a higher ticket thing, let's say you have a $3,000 offer, then that's just 3 to 4 clients a month that you need in order to hit that 100K mark within 6 months. Well, really, that would be a year. If you want to do it in 6 months, you would need 4 to 6 clients, but that is also very, very, very doable. So if you made it this far, amazing. If you want to dive deeper into what I talked about today about the software component and leveraging AI to help you make your next 10K within the next 30 days, go ahead and check out the video coming up next. I just did an extensive deep dive all about it, and I will see you on that video. Just click right here. All right, talk to you later.